Okay, so we're here. We're gonna be testing some flower CBD that we purchased legally at a store here in Daytona Beach. This is the cannabinoid profile. This is the search reagent test kit. And so I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this bud. We're going to drop it in this kit, cap it. So I guess, is that a positive test?
That's a presumptive positive.
Okay. All right, next step up is we're gonna test a CBD extract. An isolated extract, an isolate extract. So there should be no THC in this at all, it should just be pure CBD. I'm gonna put some drops of this in here.
I got chocolate.
Okay. And then close this, break that, mixing it up. And we're trying to get that purple reaction already.